What's going on, everybody? So, my friend Dave built one of these, and he just ordered this one, the QMX Plus. Let me go back to the other one, though. So, they have this thing, I guess he says it's so small it fits in the palm of your hand. So, this is from QRP Labs. And, well, Dave does a lot of CW, but anyway. So, this one here, I don't know if it supports single sideband or not. It features high performance 5-band CW digital mode transceiver kit, embedded SDR, 24-bit, 48 KSPS, USB, sound card, cat control. So it is 5 bands. You could either pick 80, 60, 40, 30, or 20, or you can pick the other one. They're where they show it, there's versions of 80 through 20, or 20 through 10, or 60, 40, 30, 20, 17, and 15. These are $100, I guess. He said it was kind of hard to put together because of winding the toroids. It is not an SSB modulator with associated unwanted sideband due to the amplifier non-linearity. QMX is the first firmware release suitable for CW. So, in what he was saying, it does have SSB receive. That at some point they're going to add sideband. I don't know. We'll see about that. But I'm wondering what else they have. I've not really ever checked out their website. I've always heard about them, but like, no, yeah, I'm not into QRP. But here I am. I've got a Zygu. It's QCX. So there's a couple different ones, but look at this. This is so small. I think this is maybe the one he bought, the mini, or maybe it was this one. I don't know, but he said you got to put it together and you wind the toroids, and he said that was kind of hard to do. Balloon tracker. I remember these prog rocks. Whisper kit. Oh, they have the amplifiers. Okie dokie. So this looks like oh, this is right up my alley. So an interesting design of how it's wound, but this to me is what I want, because I don't want to do the surface mount deal. I like this better. So you can see that the MOSFETs are underneath the board, and then they come up through. But I wonder if it comes with all this stuff. So you don't have to do surface mount. Is there like a way for me to go over here and do that? So the Amazon one, it doesn't come with any of this crap. This is interesting. And also people were complaining that the MOSFETs were counterfeit. So this would be an enclosure for it, I guess. And I think what Dave was talking about is with these kits, you have to pick the band that you're going to pick. It can be built for any single band of 80, 40, 30, or 20 using the supplied components. There are no surface mount to solder, and suitable power supply, about 5 amps, to achieve the full 50 watts output. This is cool. So now I'm wondering if there's a way to broadband it and then add the low pass filter board. So This is certainly nice. What is this? Enclosure kit, $16. That's really, really good price. So, this is kind of the stuff I want to start doing on the channel, maybe. Some stuff like this. And I really enjoyed building that automatic antenna tuner, but it was kind of frustrating. Winding these kind of things, if you've never done them before, is really hard. These are bandpass filter kit and low pass filter kit. They're two different things, and I never can remember what the difference between this or that is. Here is a 10 watt let's see here. Oh, I'm curious what this would be using. I don't know if they're going to show us what's on the bottom. So anyway, with that, synthesizer. So relay switched low pass filter kit. Okay, but I don't see the filters. So interesting. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. It's for the whisper thing, I guess. Interesting. I'm gonna have to ask Kevin about this. Kevin likes to do the whisper thing. And I wonder, is this all they have here? Kit sets, let's see. That just says featured. Deluxe 6-band US3 set. GPS disciplined oscillator. Wow. Here's a bandpass filter kit set right here. Oh, these are like all plug-ins, so you just dial them into what you want. That is pretty cool. Wow. Interesting. Wow. Well, you really would learn a lot about how radios work once you build a few things like this. And because you're going to have to adjust them, you know, and you're going to have to, like, you know, check and see, you know, if it's doing what it's supposed to. So this is pretty neat. So this is a spectrum analyzer. Their stop frequency is 40, and you start at 0. So what frequency is this right here? I guess it probably gives us that sweep 30 milliseconds or 300, 10 kilohertz bandwidth. So this is chopping it off here and here and focusing right here, which I guess is, I don't know what it is. Anyway, very cool. Okay, so let's back out of here. Kits, 32 kits. I don't know what that is. Transceiver. Um, 5-watt multiple mode transceiver. Doesn't look like any of these support the. This looks like a U-bit TIX or whatever. I don't think any of these support. Yeah, CW only, basically. Receiving module. What's this? GPS receiver module. Synthesizers. Low pass filter. 50 ohm dummy load. Let's see, what is this? TCXOs. Alright, let's see. Let me go back up here. assembled units. Let's see, what do they sell assembled? Should they sell these assembled? Is it like literally like the same price otherwise? You can buy it for the same price, or you can build it for the same price. Let's see here. Oh no, it's $57 if you build it. Okay, so it's like almost half. Well, that's pretty cool. So, if you guys haven't checked out QRP Labs website, I would take a look. There's some interesting stuff on here. So, not to say that like QRP is fun and all that, but like building one of these would be fun, okay? And then, you know, you're not going to spend a whole lot of money on it, so you buy one of these ones for $57, and where's it at? So you can buy a 50 amp PA for $29, and now you're not QRP no more. And then you would just need to pick what band you're going to work, but you know, I think, I mean, if you were just using it at home experimenting, you know, you could probably buy one for every single damn band and still be less than the Xiegu amp, you know. So $57 for this here, and it has a whisper beacon built in, so you can build that and do that with it if you don't know how to DCW. So lots of cool stuff here.